I think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me. I'm sliding in the SRT, but it feel like a Rari. And she calling my phone, I'm blowing up, she say I'm sorry. I think I see better when I got my Glock beside me. I'm rolling up some pressure just to hide the pain inside me.
So what's going on? We got a video today, and it's sponsored by Sunset Auto. They got a auto parts website where you can kind of get pretty much anything. I got 2 products to review from them. I'll leave a discount code below for the website if you guys want to come check something out. They sent me a catch can and some LED headlights or LED headlight bulbs for my Chally, so we're gonna go ahead and install them. And that catch can might be useful because I got some damn oil blowing out somewhere up here. It's looking like where I'm gonna be putting the catch can at, so that'll eliminate that problem. Plus I gotta clean this shit up. Took the engine cover off, and then I got some H11 fog light bulbs that I had in the shop that I'll be throwing in there. I held on to them for a while. I don't know whose they were, but they were given to me, and then I never used them because I never had a car that had H11s. So we're gonna throw them in because these are terrible. I can't see shit at night. Plus I got 5% tint and black interior, so you can't see nothing. That's why I ain't tint the windshield, because shit, my eyes is bad and I still can't see nothing. We're gonna go ahead and dive into this shit. To get this headlight bulb in, I gotta take the cold air intake off, and then for this one it's pretty simple, but yeah, that'll be pretty much it. So we're gonna jump into it and get started. So first we're gonna go ahead and try to get these LED bulbs in. C-Light, they are 9012, 6000K. I think these are like 150 watts. The ones that are in here now are 60 watts or 50 watts. So that probably can explain why I can't see shit, but I'm gonna show y'all quick before. That way y'all can kind of see what I'm talking about. So lights on. But yeah, that's the before. Going into the box. Let's see. Got some instructions letting you know. But yeah, off the bat, I can definitely tell these are gonna be better quality than the ones I got in there now. Ain't gonna lie. So in these challenges, it's not that much to it on this side. If you see my hand in here, pop this little cap off. And I can reach all the way up in there. Grab this little bulb out. Oh, that bitch hot. That bitch hot. Damn. And here we go. That is the old bulb that I had in there. That's the new one that's about to go in. So about to go ahead and rip them out, throw these in, and then we'll see a comparison side by side. Really can't see on this side because there's more space, but we'll get to it. So let's go ahead and get these both ripped out. I'm gonna have to take the intake out, like I said, to get to this one, but ain't no big deal. And then as far as the fog lights, I'm gonna have to go behind the fender lining, so I'm gonna have to turn the wheel probably. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these knocked out. Shouldn't take long. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so off the rip, you can kind of see these are what I had before. And you can see what I got now. And this kit comes with gloves and adhesive zip ties. That way you can get everything out the way. That kit, I know for sure didn't. So that's a plus, so that way you ain't got to touch the little LED that's in there. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. But go ahead and throw these in, and then we'll see what it look like. All right, so went ahead and got this one installed. Got everything pushed through there, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick check. I had tested the bulb and it looked a lot brighter, so this will be a test. Oh yeah, you can see that side a lot better now. But gotta clear these lights out, but ain't no big deal. But I can definitely tell a difference. Driver side ain't really too intense. Come over to the passenger side. You can't even really see the little ring on the camera. But on this one, you can see the ring clearly. And this is the one I was running before, so I couldn't see nothing. Peep the TA logo in there though. But yeah, that's much better. So let's go ahead and tackle this driver's side so that way we can get it complete. All right, got the filter off and all that shit. Got the bulb just sitting out for right now so that way I can kind of see how bright it is outside real fast. So outside the car, that shit blinding. But yeah, it's pretty bright. So I'm gonna throw it in. Go ahead and finish up this. And then we can move on to the fog lights. And then probably go ahead and route this catch can. I'm gonna pull it out here, show y'all in a few, so that way we can kind of dissect, because we're gonna have to try to find somewhere to put this catch can. I'm thinking maybe somewhere right here, or like a bracket on this side or something for now. A lot of the catch cans come to where you can get them right here, but that's the universal one, so I'm gonna have to make this one fit somewhere. But there's plenty of room in here, so pretty sure there ain't gonna be no issue. Plenty of little brackets just sitting out and stuff like that. It ain't gotta be 100% solid, just enough to not drop. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this bulb in, cap it off, put this intake and stuff back on. I'm cleaning up this shit because look like I done drove through Afghanistan in here. But yeah, go ahead and do this, and then we'll move on to the fog lights and catch can. All right, so got the lights installed. Everything is back together up here. So about to go ahead and show y'all a quick little test. So off rip, you can see a lot better on the steps versus last time. I mean, they bright as hell. I gotta fix that projector if I hit a bird or something on this side, so my grill and shit's fucked up. Not really too concerned about the fog lights, just cause damn, you know, I'm gonna switch to a Hellcat front bumper, so those will be deleted anyways. But the main ones I wanted were these, just to make sure that they were straight. So these look good. I think this projector is just fucked, so whatever. We'll just delete that later on. But headlights look good, so I guess that was the only issue with that. So done with that, and now we about to start messing with the catch can. I got the fittings here, the catch can right here, so I'm about to kind of route this. I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure something out, and then of course I gotta find out where this thing is gonna mount. I don't know, I kind of got a couple ideas, but we'll see. So it'd be dope if I could put it right here or something like that, or somewhere up here, but I'd have to make like a little custom bracket. So we'll do that later on, but for now we're gonna try to go ahead and just put it in here for now, so that way when I get back to shop number one, I can go ahead and fab something up with the metal that I got hanging around and then make it work. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so kind of dirty, but I just been trying to route this shit. So I got the braided lines ran already, and I got the catch can just temporarily mounted right there, because a lot of them that I see have a bolt that goes inside this that has like a little S clip, and it's a lot smaller than this one here. So that one will work for now, how I got it mounted. I'll probably make like a little custom bracket, but there's really not too much space with the size of the actual catch can. So I just got it temporarily mounted for now. It ain't gonna go nowhere. It's good, it's functional. So just glad to go ahead and get that in there. So got the headlight bulbs and the catch can from Sunset Auto. Go check them out. Came pretty quick, and everything was pretty good quality. Like I said, the lights, I showed y'all what they look like, and of course the catch can is pretty good quality. I mean, braided line, all that stuff. But yeah, they get your stuff quick. They reached out, wanted me to review some products, so these are the products that I chose to pick out, and yeah, I needed them, so ended up being clutch. So like I said, man, go check them out. I have a discount code below in the description, so that way y'all can go and get y'all some stuff. I'll have the link down below, so that way y'all can grab it, and then yeah, y'all go from there, man. But we're gonna jump into an oil change, because this thing needs one for sure. I don't know what the dealership had in this, but about to put this mobile one in this motherfucker here, man. I don't care about the filter. I change my shit every 3,000, so really don't matter. So until I really start doing some shit to it, I'm not really gonna worry about like top quality, this, that, other, until I actually start putting some work into it. But like I said, man, we're gonna get there. So let's go ahead and get this car jacked up, start cleaning up some of this stuff, and then go ahead and get this oil change. All right, so got the oil drain and everything. Oil sitting out, so just putting the rest of it in. I'm about to crank it up, let it run for a little bit, kind of see how everything goes, and then after that, check the level one more time, and then she'll be done. So fresh filter and everything, just got to get in here and clean up. But that'll be pretty much it, man. So let's go ahead and get a little start and let her run, make sure there's no leaks, and then after that we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and do this shit. It's 8 o'clock. Neighbor's about to be mad as fuck. But yeah, folks, that'll be it for this one. And yeah, got a lot done, and just glad to have it all knocked out. So yeah, about to close up, and hopefully we'll be having something in the shop soon. But until then, catch y'all next time. We should be going to a show next Saturday, so we'll have some more content, hopefully. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for watching. Check y'all out in the next one, and yeah, let's keep going. Update on the end of the video. I was supposed to end it at the last clip, but that catch can ended up giving me a big vacuum leak. I didn't even think, I was just so hot, I didn't think about fucking capping off the system, and it didn't come with a cap, so it was just a breather tube. And for this engine, yeah, it just need to be a closed loop cycle. So yeah, couldn't use it, but I think I'm gonna just get me one of the Billet Technologies ones or something like that with the S curve on it. That way I ain't really gotta keep working with that. I'll just take that one and put it on another car and then figure it out from there. But yeah, just wanted to update y'all. But everything running good, smooth, and good to go, so all good.